Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Jira Server. Begin by logging into your Jira account. Once logged in, navigate to the Jira dashboard. Locate the Projects option in the main menu. Click on Create Project to start setting up a new project. You will be presented with various project templates. Select the IT Service Management template for your project. Click on Next to proceed to the configuration screen. Enter a name for your project in the designated field. Choose a project key that will identify your project in Jira. Click Submit to create the project. Once created, you will be directed to your project's dashboard. To set up request types, navigate to the Project Settings menu. Select Request Types from the side menu. Here, you can customize the requests your team will manage. Click Add Request Type to create a new request form. Choose the type of request you want to create. Fill in the required details, including name and description. Customize the fields that will be included in your request form. After completing the setup, click Save Changes. Next, set up your service level agreements by navigating to the SLA section. Click Add SLA to create a new service level agreement. Define the conditions under which the SLA will apply. Specify the response and resolution times for your SLA. Click Save once all details have been filled in. Now, configure the components if needed. Go to Components in the Project Settings. Click on Create Component to add relevant components for your project. Fill in the component name and any other required details. Click Create to save the new component. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.